What's up, calientes? En esta ocasión vamos a estar haciendo un experimento social donde yo lo voy a estar acosando a ella y donde ella me va a estar acosando a mí. Vamos a ver qué reacciones tenemos, a ver si la defienden a ella o a ver si me defienden a mí. Este experimento social ya lo había hecho en México, pero vamos a ver la reacción aquí en Estados Unidos, a ver qué tipo de reacciones tenemos, amigos.
That's your number.
Nah, I'm sorry, I have a girlfriend.
Please?
No,
I mean, like, I told my friends that I would come over here and get your number.
No, I'm sorry, I have a girlfriend. I don't like, to be honest.
But she doesn't have to know.
No, just leave me alone.
Can I please?
What is you doing?
Bro,
you gonna look at her, bro. She fucking shit, bro.
Bro, but I have a girlfriend, bro.
Hey, bro.
No, I'm not gay, bro, but I have a girlfriend.
Come on. Where's your number?
No, it's cool, bro. You guys can have her if you want, bro. I have a girlfriend, bro.
But I don't want that. I want your number. Can I please have your number?
No, it's okay.
On you, bro. You better.
Can I please?
Nah, I'm sorry, bro. Hey, bro.
Give her that pipe of me, bro.
She's harassing me, bro. She's harassing me.
Harassing you?
Yeah.
That ain't harassment.
Can I please?
Look, she's touching me, bro. Like,
That's cool. I don't see nothing wrong with that. The D, bro. Give her the D.
But I have a girlfriend, bro.
Like, I told my friends that I would come over here and get your number.
Nah, I feel like that's fucked up, bro. No, I'm okay. Thank you. I'm sorry. No, like, it's alright. Like, I have a girlfriend. I'm sorry.
Can I please have your number?
Nah, I'll be okay. Thank you.
Why?
Thank you. Stop harassing me. Like, please.
I'm not harassing you. Can I please just have your number?
I don't want you. It's cool.
No,
Like,
because I really don't want to go over to my friends and tell them that I didn't get it.
I have a girlfriend, and I don't want to cheat on my girlfriend. Please.
Please.
I'm okay. Thank you.
No,
Appreciate
seriously.
it.
Can I?
Thank you. It's okay. Come on.
No, where
No,
you go?
just let me go. Let me go. Come on. I mean, I just have a girlfriend, and I don't think this is right. All right? Please leave me alone.
Really?
Yeah. I have a girlfriend. It's cool.
So she doesn't have to know.
No, I have a girlfriend. Like, come on.
No, come on, please.
I mean, can you let me go? I have a girlfriend.
No.
No, you don't
I
have a
want.
girlfriend.
See,
I do.
You don't have a girlfriend.
I have a girlfriend.
Can I please have your number?
Come on. No,
No, I really do want your number, please.
Come on, like.
Please.
Hey, can you do something, bro? Like, she's harassing me, bro.
Come on, wait. This is first of all, this is my girlfriend. I don't know who the fuck you are.
Nah, I'm just walking by, bro. I have a girlfriend, and I don't honestly, like, I don't.
want his number because he makes really cool videos and stuff, and you know how I model, like.
You know what? Just,
He could really help me.
Give her your number.
Bro, like, to be honest, I just don't want to be fucked up like that with my girl, bro.
Just give her your Instagram then. It's always good to have
Yeah.
followers.
I mean, you can follow me on Instagram, but like, my girl, I don't know if my girl would be cool
Well,
though.
then can I see your phone so then I can follow your Instagram or something?
mean-
or like.
Your phone number. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Like, just. I mean, I'm trying to get your phone number.
I
Like,
don't care. Stop.
come on. That's all I want. Phone numbers.
No.
No?
You're
It's just simple. You have
It's annoying. No.
you have your phone there. You have your phone there. I just want your number. I mean, just give me a chance.
Stop.
Come on.
No, stop.
Bro. She said you harassing her. That's like hella thirsty, bro.
Bro, I'm just trying to get her phone number, bro. Like,
She ain't fucking with you.
but that's all I want. I don't think you should like get involved in this, bro.
I'm just. You might get the boys called on you. I'm just saying.
Come on. Hey, bro, no. I'm just trying to get her phone number, bro.
Be cool. She's saying stop.
No, bro, like, please don't get on this, bro.
She's a female, man. You can't do that to a female.
Right, man, but like, what if she was doing that to me, bro? Like, people like
You're a
wouldn't do
man, bro.
shit.
She's a female. You just try to grab her, you know?
But I'm just trying to get her phone number, bro. That's all I want,
No,
bro.
you don't grab everybody like that with the phone number. You just ask her. If she say no, she say no.
I don't think you should be involved in this, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm just trying to get her phone number, bro.
Just trying to help her. She's a female.
Shawty, you hella bad. Come on. I just want to get your number, bro. Like, you're just bad. Like, you look at you. Like, you're just fucking bad.
I told you already.
Come on. Like, I'm just trying to get your number. Come on.
Hey, bro.
Come on.
Hey, that's not cool, bro.
Bro, I'm just trying to get her number, bro.
Oh, man, come on, man. Leave her alone, man. Stop harassing her, man.
bothered, bro. You know what I mean?
Bro, but like, I'm just trying to get her number. That's all I want.
No, man, stop harassing her, man. That's a young lady, man.
She's trying to take
She don't deserve that.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I just want her number, bro. That's all, bro. I mean, you guys don't have
give her
to.
a break, man. You all right?
Yeah, you okay? You
Okay.
Goodbye.